Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add languages to the CV Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now tap on the profile section down below, which is the third option. Now scroll down till you find the languages option and click on it. Here, as you can see, there's only one language added to the languages section. It's English, and the proficiency level is set to superior, 90%. But you can edit it if you want to by tapping on the edit button and then scrolling to the right side on this scale in order to upgrade your level. But you can also add new languages by clicking on the add new button at the top. First of all, you need to type in the name of your language that you are speaking, and then you should indicate your proficiency level. So if you are done with it, you can go back to the previous page, since all these information that you have added will be saved automatically. So feel free to add new items to this list by tapping on this add new button. So that's pretty much it. Found it helpful? If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.